Major Vehicle Exchange 2021 Ford E350 TurtleTop VanTerra non-CDL Shuttle Bus, stock number A5358. Major Vehicle Exchange presents this handsome 2021 TurtleTop VanTerra 350 15-seat non-CDL bus that has 76K well-maintained miles and is equipped with a Ford Triton V8 6.2L gas engine with automatic transmission and overdrive. We have inspected this bus from bumper to bumper and have detailed it to give it a great appearance. The bus was very well cared for and was on a maintenance schedule and was serviced regularly. As part of the reconditioning process, the bus was fully serviced and inspected. Any repairs were done as needed to make this bus fit for any use. The vinyl perimeter seats are in excellent condition, as well as the rest of the cabin. The steel reinforced fiberglass and composite exterior of the bus show only minimal wear and tear. All electrical and mechanical equipment is in proper working order. There are no known problems with this bus, and the bus is 100% ready to go. Test drives are welcome. Clean title, accident-free. One-owner vehicle history report. Clean, lightly used, and perfect for church groups, families, or any group. Ideal for activity and outings for employee transport, hotel and airport transfer, and casino runs. It rides smoothly and handles well. Own this bus for just a fraction of its $120,000 or more replacement cost. Perfect for limousine shuttle service, employee transport, church, sports teams, ranch and winery tours, and more. This Ford TurtleTop bus has great equipment including power windows, door locks and power heated mirrors, an electric passenger door, and a panoramic roof window. It has numerous safety features and a full complement of comfort accessories. It can be used for trips, shuttle services, outings, and tours. Its comfortable vinyl perimeter seats provide enough passenger room for comfortable accommodations. The motor is perfect and the automatic transmission shifts smoothly. All other mechanical functions work properly. The AC, front and rear, blows strong and cool, while the heat gives a warm and toasty feel. The tires are new. This bus was quality built, as you can see in the photos, which look great. The interior is in excellent shape and has been cleaned regularly with minimal wear and tear. This bus is roomy and spacious to provide passengers and drivers with a smooth and comfortable ride. Features and specifications. Ford 2021 Ford E350 TurtleTop VanTerra. Engine, Ford gas 6.2L V8 Triton engine. Transmission, 6-speed automatic with overdrive, electric passenger door with curbside key release, integrated fiberglass steps for driver and co-pilot, vanity panels, luxury padded interior, reflective tinted glass windows, backup camera, accent lighting package, remote heated mirrors, speakers throughout cabin, stainless steel overhead grab handles, panoramic passenger roof window, power windows and door locks, air conditioning and heat front and rear, cruise control, AM/FM stereo rubber, transit flooring, tilt wheel, backup alarm, seats for 15, including the co-pilot and driver. Please call Charlie at 516-333-7483 or visit us at www.getanybus.com.